I'ma be real with you, you're doing your glow up completely wrong. You see some girly on TikTok with a 10-step routine and drop hundreds of dollars on it. You waste your entire check on makeup that's supposed to be a magic fix, but at the end of the day, you wash it off and you're back at square one. That's not a glow up, you're just hiding the problem. You're out here trying to contour a jawline into existence, hopping on another trash diet, and it's a flop. None of it is giving you that main character energy you're actually trying to manifest. But what if I told you the ultimate glow up hack has, like, nothing to do with any of that? A real glow up isn't a project, it's a lifestyle. It's a whole vibe. The glow up starts from the inside out, period. It's about getting your inner health right and mixing in a few clever tricks to get a glow that actually sticks around. In this video, I'm about to spill all the tea on the mistakes you're making and give you the new playbook. No cap, this will change your life. If you want a glow up that actually lasts forever, you're gonna want to stick around. Section 1. The foundation. Okay, so the biggest mistake, the absolute biggest L, is focusing only on the outside. It's actually wild. We've been conditioned to think a glow up is something you can just add to your cart, a new foundation, a bougie serum, whatever. But here's the truth, you cannot slap concealer on an unhealthy lifestyle. It just doesn't work. If you're stressed out, dehydrated, and sleep deprived, no amount of concealer is gonna hide that. Your skin, your hair, and your energy levels are literally just a reflection of what's going on inside your body. Like, you wouldn't try to paint a masterpiece on a crusty, falling apart canvas, right?
Yes!
Your body is the canvas. So before we even talk about makeup, we have to fix the foundation. It all comes down to 3 non-negotiables: sleep, hydration, and nutrition. That's your new holy trinity. First, sleep. We all know we need it, but it's the first thing we ghost. Getting 7 to 9 hours of good sleep isn't optional, it's mandatory. When you're sleeping, your body is literally in repair mode, fighting inflammation and fixing your skin. I challenge you, get good sleep for just 1 week. I swear, it does more than any expensive eye cream. It's the OG glow up hack, and it's free. Second, hydration. Your skin is literally screaming for water. When you're dehydrated, your skin looks dull, your fine lines pop out more, and you get all puffy. You gotta be aiming for at least 2 liters a day. Just carry a water bottle everywhere. This one habit will give you that lit from within glow that makeup can only fake. And third, nutrition. You do not need to go on some crazy restrictive diet. Seriously, just chill. Just focus on adding more of the good stuff in. Berries and leafy greens are loaded with antioxidants. Healthy fats from avocados and nuts will make your skin look fire. And protein is the literal building block for your hair, skin, and nails. If your hair is weak or your skin's not feeling firm, it might just be a sign you need more protein. A real glow up is fueled by what you eat. Nail these 3, and you've already won half the battle. Section 2. The skincare mistake. Alright, let's talk skincare. Mistake number 2. Thinking more products means better skin. That is straight up CAP. In fact, you're probably wrecking your skin more than you're helping it. You're buying 10 different actives and just destroying your skin barrier, causing breakouts and irritation, the exact opposite of what you want. A real skincare glow up is all about simplicity. You don't need a 10-step routine. You need a consistent routine with solid products that actually do something. The best routines are basic: cleanse, moisturize, and protect. First, find a gentle cleanser that doesn't leave your skin feeling all tight and stripped. I'll put the link below of all the products I would recommend. For the evening, here's a pro tip: double cleanse. Start with an oil cleanser to melt everything off, then use your normal cleanser. Absolute game changer. Next, moisturize. AM and PM. No excuses. A good moisturizer locks in water and supports your skin's barrier. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. Finally, and this is the most important part, sunscreen. Every single day. I don't care if it's cloudy or you're just staying inside. The sun is the #1 cause of aging, dark spots, and uneven skin. Using SPF 30 or higher is the single best thing you can possibly do for your skin. Period. Once you get that basic routine down, then you can slowly add one active, like a vitamin C serum or a retinol. But go slow. Consistency with a few solid products will always slay a complicated routine you can't even stick to. We are officially introducing your beginner's guide to a home glow-up, the ultimate digital roadmap designed specifically for women who want to refine their routine, boost their confidence, and embrace their best selves from the comfort of home. This ebook isn't just about surface-level changes. It's a step-by-step blueprint that simplifies the glow-up process into manageable daily habits. Whether you're looking to master a consistent skincare regimen, overhaul your fitness from your living room, or cultivate a more positive mindset, this guide meets you exactly where you are. It's perfect for the busy woman who wants professional-level results without the expensive spa price tag or the intimidation of a crowded gym. The premium affordable price is only $29.99. Hurry up and get your investment now because I only have 3 limited quantity spots left. Link is on the description or in my profile. Section 2. The skincare mistake. Alright, let's talk skincare. Mistake number 2. Thinking more products means better skin. That is straight up CAP. In fact, you're probably wrecking your skin more than you're helping it. You're buying 10 different actives and just destroying your skin barrier, causing breakouts and irritation, the exact opposite of what you want. A real skincare glow-up is all about simplicity. You don't need a 10-step routine. You need a consistent routine with solid products that actually do something. The best routines are basic: cleanse, moisturize, and protect. First, find a gentle cleanser that doesn't leave your skin feeling all tight and stripped. I'll put the link below of all the products I would recommend. For the evening, here's a pro tip: double cleanse. Start with an oil cleanser to melt everything off, then use your normal cleanser. Absolute game changer. Next, moisturize. AM and PM. No excuses. A good moisturizer locks in water and supports your skin's barrier. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. Finally, and this is the most important part, sunscreen. Every single day. I don't care if it's cloudy or you're just staying inside. The sun is the #1 cause of aging, dark spots, and uneven skin. Using SPF 30 or higher is the single best thing you can possibly do for your skin. Period. Once you get that basic routine down, then you can slowly add one active, like a vitamin C serum or a retinol. But go slow. Consistency with a few solid products will always slay a complicated routine you can't even stick to. And this last mistake, it's the one everyone can see. You're using makeup like a mask, not a tool. For years, I used to cake on the thickest foundation I could find to hide everything. It was giving spackle. By the end of the day, it was a cracked, oily mess. A real glow-up means you stop hiding your face and start making your best features the main character. The goal is to look like you, but elevated, not like a totally different person. That means switching from heavy, cakey makeup to smart, lightweight hacks. First, stop slathering foundation all over your face. Just spot conceal any blemishes or redness. Then, if you want some coverage, use a skin tin wet or a tinted moisturizer. This lets your actual skin peek through, which is a way better vibe. Next, let's fix your contour. That harsh, muddy stripe under your cheekbone? It's giving 2016. Instead, switch to a cream bronzer. It just melts right into your skin. Lightly sweep it where the sun would naturally hit you. It adds dimension without looking fake. Now for blush, which is your secret weapon. So many people apply it way too low, and it just drags your whole face down. Hack: apply a cream blush high on your cheekbones and blend it up toward your temples. It's an instant facelift and makes you look so much more awake. Finally, the eyes. You do not need some insane eyeshadow look. Just curl your lashes and throw on some mascara. It makes your eyes pop instantly. And brush up your brows. They literally frame your entire face. Then, add a little bit of highlighter to the high points of your face, cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and your cupid's bow. It gives that lit from within glow. The whole point is to work with your features, not against them. You're just enhancing what you've already got. So, to recap the L's, focusing only on the outside, having a complicated skincare routine, and using makeup as a mask. The T is, our real glow-up isn't some 30-day challenge you ghost after a week. It's the small, consistent things you do every single day. It's choosing to get your sleep, to drink your water, to simplify your skincare, and to use makeup to celebrate your face, not hide it. This kind of transformation is a marathon, not a sprint. But one day, you'll look in the mirror and that urge to hide will just be gone. You'll feel that main character energy in your own skin. And that is a glow you can't buy. That is a glow up you earned. That is the glow up that hits different because it lasts forever. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.